form a party.
Had a good look around the city yet?
Yeah, interesting town.
Yan, meron siyang engine. Meron siyang chassis. Meron siyang, ayan. Tatong. Ayan, meron siyang probe. I-unlock mo pa siya. Sa customization, madami option. Body, and body chassis yan. Side skirt, bumper, hood, side mirror, fender, tail light, plate number, tsaka spoiler. Pagdating sa paint, madami din. Ayan. Decals, dami option. Sample decals. Add ka ng decals dito. Add decals X. Ayan, add decals. Pagpipilian. This. Tapos, pwede mo siyang change color. Tapos, pwede ka na labas ng game. Meron siyang effects, backfire, fire smoke, underglow, star suspension, air suspension, stance, paano yung nakalakadin, makakabukang yan. Pwede ka mamili night or day. Mamili sa day. Nakamax yung graphics ko dito.
I hear you've been tricking out your wheels. That tells me you're serious about this.
Pwedeng view.
Wouldn't be here if I wasn't.
You know, if you want to get in the league, you're not getting there alone.
Pwedeng malayo.
From what I hear, neither are
Pwede
you.
rin ganito.
That's what I wanted to talk about.
Ito mo.
I'm thinking we can help each other. Form a crew? Unless you got any better offers on the table.
Plenty, actually.
Bullshit! Come on! What do you say?
Say you're on.
Alright! Okay, if we're gonna climb the ladder to the league, we gotta get ourselves a race against another crew. Remember Kenny?
That redneck from my first night here?
Mga karera mo, nakakalat. Depende sa'yo kung ano yung kakarerahin mo.
His crew, the Speed Boys, are right